Hello children, now we shall discuss one of the important topics of grammar, change the degree. It has few more titles, degrees of comparison or degrees of adjectives. Why is it called as degrees of adjectives? From the title itself it is clear that degree has been shown, that is tall, taller, tallest, short, shorter, shortest. This particular degree has been shown using a form of adjective, so it is labeled as degrees of comparison. Even it is called as degrees of adjectives or change the degree, because a degree is shown, small degree, smaller degree, smallest degree, tall, taller, tallest. So change the degree or degrees of comparison. In exam they give a sentence, and what type of instruction is given? Change the degree or change into positive degree, comparative degree or superlative degree, or just change the degree. Children, we know that degree is made up of, a sentence of degree or degree is made up of using an adjective, adjective which qualifies the noun. Which qualifies the noun is called as adjective. An adjective can have three forms. Adjective form number one, that is called as positive form of adjective. Second, adjective form number second or comparative form of adjective, and adjective form number third, that is called as comparative form of adjective. For example, see, tall, taller, tallest. Tall, positive form; taller, comparative form; tallest, superlative form. This is a regular form of adjective: tall, taller, tallest; great, greater, greatest; beautiful, more beautiful, more beautiful. But even there are some irregular forms of adjectives. For example, good, positive form; better, comparative form; best, superlative form. Good, better, best. Many or much. Many is used for many and much. These are both positive forms of adjective, first form of adjective. But many is used for countable nouns, many books, and much is used for uncountable nouns. Much of the air, much of the tea, uncountable nouns. Many, much, positive form; more, comparative form; most, superlative form. Children, we know positive degree is a degree or is a sentence in which positive form of adjective is used. Beautiful, great, getting me? Beautiful, great, tall, big, first form of adjective is used, and most probably as, or so as structure is used. For example, he is as tall as his mother. As tall as structure has been used, and tall, first form of adjective, has been used. So this is called as positive degree. In comparative, children, we find comparison between two or one and many things, and second form of adjective is used. For example, this example is easier than, easier, second form of adjective. And most probably in comparative degree, than this word is used. I will repeat once again. Children, in comparative degree, second form of adjective is used, and than this word is used. And in superlative degree, most probably the, the or the article is used, and third form of adjective, that is called as superlative form of adjective, is used. Tallest, greatest, most beautiful, best, this is used. Now try to understand, children, what is now try to understand what this is, what comparison we come across in particular degree, this particular degree type of sentence or degree topic. We come across three type of comparisons. I will repeat once again, children. In the degrees of comparison or change the degree topic, we come across three type of comparisons. Comparison number one, comparison number second, and comparison number third. In first comparison, children, one is compared with one. In first comparison, one is compared with one. For example, I am happier than you. I am happier than you. In this example, I, this pronoun has been compared with you. One is compared with one, first comparison. Second comparison, one is compared with many. Second comparison, one is compared with many. For example, this example is one of the simplest. One of the simplest means there are many simple examples and this is one among them. This is one among them. Getting me? One is compared with many. And third type of comparison, children, one is compared with all. Asia is the biggest continent. Asia is the biggest continent. Means Asia, this continent, is compared with almost all the continents. One with one, one with many, one with all. Comparison one, comparison second, comparison third. One with one with many, one with all. One with one. Kolhapur is bigger than Satara or Satara. Kolhapur is bigger than Satara. Kolhapur, Satara, only two nouns are compared. English is one of the most interesting subjects. English is one of the most interesting subjects. Interesting subjects means there are many interesting subjects and English is one among them. One is compared with many. Third, Mount Everest is the tallest peak. Mount Everest is the tallest peak. Mount Everest is compared with almost all the peaks. One with one with many, and one with all. So children, when we compare, listen, and structure we know. Positive degree as adjective number first should be used. Comparative, than word adjective number second should be used, and superlative, than word, the article and third form of adjective should be used. Let us take some of the examples. See children, example number 1. I will read. This is one of the hardest throwing pitchers in the league. I will read once again. This is one of the means one among many. One is compared with many, children. Unless and until understanding type of comparison given in the sentence. Unless and until understanding getting type of comparison given in a sentence, we will get a difficulty. Second requirement for converting a type of degree sentence is we have to see whether the given sentence is in positive degree form, comparative degree form, or superlative degree form. In this example number 1, one is compared with many. See, this is one of the hardest throwing pitchers. In that particular game, it is one of the throws. This is one means there are many hardest throwing pitchers, and this is one. So one is compared with many. This is one of the hardest throwing pitchers in the league. Let us see the degree of the given sentence. See children, one of the harder, hardest. Superlative form of degree is used. So first example is in superlative degree form. Why children? Because third form of adjective is given and this is compared, one is compared with many. So the first example is in superlative form. Children, if one is compared with many, and if we want to convert that form into positive form, we have to use very few structure and comparative than many other structure. I will repeat once again. If one is compared with many, one of the structure is used for superlative degree, very few structure is used for positive degree, and then many others, not any other structure is used for comparative degree. One of the superlative, very few one of the superlative, very few positive, than many other comparative. One of the superlative, very few positive, than many other comparative. See, this is one of the hardest throwing pitchers in the league. This is harder than many other throwing pitchers in the league. This is a comparative degree because harder this is comparative form of adjective is used and than word is used. And this example is a positive form. Very few throwing pictures in the league are as hard as this is. In short, children, we have only changed the form. The first form is a superlative form, the second form is comparative form, and the third form is positive form. Only we have changed the form. We have made superlative form, we have changed into positive, and positive into comparative. Meaning is same, tense is same. See now, this is simple present tense. Here also simple present tense is maintained, and here also simple present tense is maintained. Tense should not be changed, meaning also should not be changed. So students, in first example, there is a first type of comparison. One is compared with, instead of first type of comparison, one is compared with many. I'll repeat once again. In example number 1, one is compared with many. One is compared with many, one of the superlative, very few, positive, than many others, comparative. Let us take second example. He did not care so much about taking care of himself as he did about taking care of his customers. I read once again, children. He did not care so much about taking care of himself as he did about taking care of his customers. See children, did not take so much, and here he care more. More is second form of adjective, so definitely comparative degree. He care more about taking care of his customers than he cared about taking care of himself. It means, children, this answer sentence is in comparative form. Why? Because adjective number second has been used, even than word is used. Let us see example number 3. Take a deep breath and open the mouth wide open. Take a deep breath and open the mouth wide open. Take a deeper breath and open the mouth wide open. Deeper breath. Next example. The spot on her skin, that is a pimple mark. The spot on her skin was even bigger than, bigger, biggest. Second form of adjective and than word is used. So children, the given sentence is in comparative form of degree. The spot on her chin was even bigger than it had been the night before. We have to change it into positive degree, and positive degree means, children, two things are needed. We have to use as structure and adjective number second. See children, the spot on her skin, the spot on her chin the night before was not so big as it was now. So children, given sentence is in comparative form and this answer is in positive degree. See example number 5. The most important factor to be considered is the freshness of the fruit. The given sentence is in superlative form of degree because most important. Important, adjective number 1, positive form. More important, adjective number 2, comparative form. And most important, adjective number 3, superlative form. So children, example number 5 is in superlative form of degree. We have to convert into comparative. See, the freshness of the fruit is more important, comparative, than any other factor. And positive, no other factor is as important as the freshness of the fruit. Children, in example number 5, what type of comparison do we come across? At the beginning we have seen there are 3 types of comparisons. Here there is one is compared with all. One is compared with all. In a real example, one is compared with many. One of the hardest throwing pictures, one is compared with many. But in this example, one is compared with all. The most important factor to be considered is the freshness of the fruit. So the freshness of the fruit is more important than any other factor. So children, if there is comparison, that is if one is compared with many, if one is compared with many, we have to use than any other for comparative and no other for positive. So no other factor is as important as the freshness of the fruit. Let us see example number 6. The country offers visitors more themes, many, more, most. Adjective number 2 has been used, so undoubtedly this example number 6 is in comparative degree form. The country offers visitors more themes than any other amusement park in the world. One is compared with, see children, any means all. No other amusement park in the world offers, simple present tense, as many themes to visitors as this country. Is it clear children? Let us see next example, example number 7. The phoenix is the best of all mythical birds. Means among all mythical birds, mythological birds, phoenix bird is the best one. So phoenix bird is compared with almost all the birds. One is compared with all. And this sentence, this example is in superlative form of degree. Why? Because the best adjective, that is third form of adjective, that is superlative form of adjective has been used. The phoenix is the best of all mythical birds. So naturally no other should be used for positive degree, and then any other should be used for comparative degree. Let us see its answer. See children, comparative form. The phoenix is better than any other. The phoenix is better than any other mythical birds or any of the mythical bird. I will repeat once again. The phoenix is better than any of the mythical bird or any other mythical birds. And positive, none of the mythical birds or no other mythical bird, none of the mythical birds are as good as the phoenix, or no other mythical bird is as good as the phoenix. So children, in this earlier example, that is this example number 7, we have seen one is compared with all. Let us see next example. It may be one of the cheapest hobbies to pursue, means to follow. Means children, in this example, one is compared with many. There are many cheap hobbies. There are many cheap hobbies and it may be one among them. There are many cheap hobbies and it may be one among them. So one is compared with many. It may be one of the cheapest hobbies to pursue. And we know children, when one is compared with many, for positive we have to use a very few and positive form of adjective, and for comparative we have to use than many other. So children, positive degree, very few hobbies are as cheap as this one to pursue, or very few hobbies are as cheap as this to pursue. And its comparative form, it may be cheaper. Its comparative form, it may be cheaper than many other hobbies. It may be cheaper than many other hobbies to pursue. So children, through these examples, it is clear that in degrees of comparison, I will repeat once again, degree is made up of using an adjective. Degree is made up of using an adjective. Adjective can have three forms: positive form of adjective, comparative form of adjective, and superlative form of adjective. Is it clear, children? Positive form of adjective, superlative form of adjective, comparative form of adjective. In positive, we use positive form of adjective: good, beautiful, and as structure or so as structure. In comparative form, we use second form of adjective and than word. And in superlative, we use the the or the article, and superlative form of adjective, that is the best, the tallest, the greatest, the most beautiful. Getting me, children? Third thing we have seen that in degrees of comparison, degree is shown: smaller degree, comparative degree, and greater degree. Biggest degree means positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. We come across three types of comparisons: one with one, one with one. For example, one with one. For example, see, Kolhapur is bigger than Sangli. Kolhapur is bigger than Sangli. Kolhapur is compared with only Sangli. Kolhapur is not compared with almost all the cities. One is compared with only one noun. And when one is compared with only one noun, we can convert it into only comparative. Comparative form into positive, positive form into comparative. Why can't we convert this first comparison, that is one with one comparison, into superlative? Meaning gets changed, because in superlative, one is compared with all. So children, when there is comparison between one with one, positive form can be changed into only comparative, and comparative form should be changed into only positive. For example, see, same example I will repeat, children. Kolhapur is bigger than Sangli. Is bigger than, simple present tense. Kolhapur is bigger than Sangli. Comparative form, Sangli is not as big as Kolhapur. First comparison. This is first comparison, one with one. Second comparison, one with many. One with many. For example, English subject is one of the most interesting subjects, means there are many interesting subjects. English subject is one of the most interesting subjects. It means, children, there are many interesting subjects and English is only one among them. Is compared with many, many are there and English is one. And when one is compared with many, we have to use a very few for positive and then many other for comparative. I will repeat that same example, children. English is one of the most interesting subjects. Very few subjects are as interesting as English. I will repeat once again. Very few subjects are as interesting as English, positive, and comparative. English is more interesting. English is more interesting than many other subjects. And last comparison, children, we have seen one is compared with all, means among all this is the great, among all this is the biggest. For example, Mount Everest is the tallest peak. Asia is the biggest continent. Getting me, children? Bill Gates was the richest man. Bill Gates was the richest man. One is compared with all. And when one is compared with all, for positive degree we have to use no other structure, adjective form one, and as we have to use, or so as we have to use, and comparative than any other, than any. I am giving stress on the word any, not many. Than any other, and comparative form of adjective. I will repeat the same example. English is one of the most interesting subjects. Very few subjects are as interesting as English, positive. English is more interesting than many other subjects. See the change once again. I will repeat the same example. English is one of the most interesting subjects, superlative. Very few subjects are as interesting as English. Positive. English is more interesting than many other subjects. Comparative. So children, see, these are the examples. Through these examples, we have tried to convert positive form into comparative and comparative form into superlative. Through practice, it's possible. Thank you.